Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chordia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you how a simple equipment like a resistance band can add a lot of burn into your booty burning workout. So let's just get started. We will start our workout with hip abductors. For hip abductors, you have to raise your back and your legs. Your whole body is supported on your hips and on your palms. Then you have to move your legs wider than the hip distance apart and then bring them closer. Again, take them wider and closer. Continue doing this for 30 times. Next is booty leg raises. This workout is very good for your lower part of your hip. You have to raise your back and then alternatively take your legs upward. Concentrate on your glutes. You will also feel quads in this. Next, we are going to do donkey kicks. You are going to do 2 sets and you will be doing 15 repetitions of each legs. For this, your body will be supported on your knees and on your palms. Then you have to kick your legs backward without bending your knees. Push your leg as high as possible. Now we will be doing this for second leg. After you're done with both the legs, take 1 minute of rest and then do one more set. In between the rest, don't forget to drink water. Stay hydrated. It is very important to be hydrated during your workout. Next, we are doing leg twists. For leg twist, your body is again supported on your palms and on your knees. Move your legs 30 degrees outward and 30 degrees inward, making a 60 degrees angle. Do this for 15 times for each leg. While doing this, make sure you do not bend your elbows and your upper body is stable. Now next leg, again do the same. The resistance band will add the real burn in this workout. It will make a simple workout very much effective. So it's good to have a resistance band. You can use it in many ways. Next workout is fire hydrants. For fire hydrants, you again have to take the same position and lift your leg at side. Usually, without using resistance band, we must be able to lift your legs at 90 degrees. But after adding resistance band, it becomes heavy. It feels like something is pulling you down. So don't worry, you can lift your legs and at 45 degrees also as I'm doing it. So come on, last few, push yourself harder. Breathe. Next workout is leg circles. For this you have to stand up and move your leg from inward to outward for 12 to 15 times. And then you have to do the same for the next leg. In this, it is very important to maintain your balance and you have to try to do this without resting your legs. But in between the reps, if sometimes you start losing the balance, it's okay to take a mini second of a rest and then again get back to the workout. Come on. Are you feeling that burn? We are. Lastly, we are going to do squats. For squats, take a shoulder stance and then sit backward 90 degrees or maybe below than that. Keep your back straight and go down. Go completely down. Don't cross your knees. Make sure you do not raise your toes while doing this. And you do not wobble your thighs. Keep them nice and stable. Last few and we are done. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also let me know in the comment box which video you would like to see next from me. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.